you are looking into get a blue tick sign, which is the verified page badge from Facebook. You want that for your business page or personal branding page, right? Great. So this is the video for you to watch. In case you are also wanted to get this badge for your Facebook personal profile page as well too, you can actually get it as well too. And how to do that, I will also show you at the end of this video. So keep watching, and end of the video, I will give you that video to do that as well for your personal profile as well, not only for page. But now let's get started. I'm going to show you step by step how you can get a blue badge sign for your Facebook page as well too. And one more thing, do you need such kind of big followers to get it? Absolutely no. That's the good news. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Yeah. Sure. Make it happen. Thank you. So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give them a big hand to them? So before I get started, there are 4 things I want to mention here, which is going to be very valuable for you. Number 1, you're authentic. Your page should be authentic. You probably doing it for personal branding. It should be an authentic page, or you're doing it for your business or your particular social project. It's fine. It have to be authentic. What does it really mean? It means your account must represent a real person or registered business entity. So in case if you're running a social project, it should be under a particular registered non-profit organizations or even under the company. That's fine, but it needs a representative, all right? Number 2, your account must be public and have a bio, profile picture, and at least 1 post. And actually, you should actually plan for not 1, at least have 100 posts in your Facebook page. That's my tips. Number 3 is about unique. Your account must be unique, represent to the entity to represent. That means you should not create a lot of pages with the same name. If you created a lot of other pages, you should be eliminating other one or rename other one and keep that unique, which is gonna get a blue tick mark. Number 4 is a notable. Your account must represent a well-known, high searchable individual, brand, or entity. What does it really mean? Don't worry much about it, because I'm going to show you step by step what you should do and how to submit your right verification request, and you can get the blue badge. So now let's put to the next part of the video. And the first thing first, to get it, the verified badge, the first thing, of course, you need to log into the Facebook profile, your personal profile account. And then as soon as you log in, the next step will be for you to open up the form. Don't worry about the link. Check out the description section of the video. I put that link of this form is there already. All you need to do, just click and it will open. So now, you are going to, it has an option to page and profile. You wanted to do a verified your page. So select the page option first. And then you may have a lot of pages too. So now all you need to do, you select the right page which you want to verify. So let's an example. I'm going to verify this one. I put it on. And now the second thing is about you need to submit a particular documents, which is legal document, which shows that this is for you. For page, if it's a business, it's better you submit for tax filing or recently utility bill. It makes sense, but it should have the name of your business entity, which is a page name should be there. I want to tell you one thing. This is where a lot of people make the mistake. Your page name and what is the business entity documents you're submitting should be exactly the same name. If it's not the same name, you are in trouble. It should be exactly the same name. Such an example for that's why recently utility bill should have your business name exactly same like your page. Or if you choose the tax filing, it should be exactly the same name of your business and also your page too. There is a little bit of hack there, but it's very risky. You may get rejected if you don't have exactly the same name. So now you choose the file and you upload from your computer, and then now move on. The next thing is about now you choose your category very simply. If it's your personal branding you're doing it, probably you could do blogger, influencer. If you have a business, select which business category. Are you in the gaming, or you're doing a business and brand organization? If you're doing a small business and if you have a startup and you have registered already, choose the business. Or if you are a fashion already, fashion influencer, or you are doing something in fashion, or you're doing something in music, or you're doing something related to sport or game, choose that one. So now you need to choose where your business is located. It's headquartered basically. So like an example, I put it on Singapore. The next thing is about audience. Describe your people you show your page or profile. What kind of people you really wanted to do it. Like an example, if you choose the young youth who loves playing games, like an example, you write it down a particular audience, the game lovers you're doing, because your business is about the game. So now you could have a secondary name, like your name probably VSHR Group, like an example I choose that way. You could have a secondary group as well too. Let me change this one. It should be, let's say we're doing it for European Insider, right? It's more about organization, business, and brand. So now, the first thing first, you need to put the link number one. It should be always your website. You should always put your website of your business, all right? The second thing I would highly recommend you to put down, you put your LinkedIn page link, all right? Put down the LinkedIn page link, it has to be very highly rewarding. So now, the third thing you should be putting on into that one is about your blog, which you're writing. Probably where you are promoting your projects, or maybe your startup already has a blog website. So put down the blog link here. Very, very good, helpful for you. So now 4 and 5. So 4 and 5, you need to be very tactical about it as well too. So as an example, if you have any newspaper or digital or online or TV channel made a report about your product, put that link here. It will be very, very powerful. So TVC, or newspaper, or even from TV report as well too, news report as well too. That will be very powerful for you to get approved. If you don't have it, it's okay, but then you could do the hack is 5. So this is the way that I like to give you tips. So if you need more links, reach out to your other friends who has a startup business and tell them to publish an article about you to their blogs, all right? So if you reach out to all friends, you'll find out 3 to 5 people who are already doing something business, or maybe they have some kind of website, or maybe they don't have a business, but maybe they have a website. So when they have a website, you could write down a content about your business and tell them to publish that one too. And then when they publish it, you could share it to your network to get a good amount of traffic into this post. So you could get person one website, and then you could get another person two website. So now you got all the relative leads to actually shows that your business is existent. People are talking about it. But here's the tips. When you tell other people just do an article, wait at least 2 weeks and share as much as you can in social media platform to get some views into the articles. So when Facebook get your links, they will gonna examine the quality of articles. So make sure that you write great things and very easy to understand, have a great writing as well too on this link. And then all you need to do, press and send. And then when you press the send, normally in 1 to 7 days period of time, you get a reply from the Facebook saying there, hey, congratulations, your Facebook page has been successfully verified. Bingo. And then as you get the blue tick, get a blue badge tick next to your page, and you got verified. And it's really powerful because a lot of people see that you're a verified page and they're much willing to accept your contents and talking to you or even inboxing you as well too. And now you might be thinking that, oh my God, how do I get my personal profile? Like your personal profile, not page, personal profile also can get a blue tick as well too. Do I need to be a famous person? Absolutely no. How to do that one? Let's watch this video right now so you can also even verify your personal profile and get a blue badge to your personal profile and get a much more stronger engagement with your audience. So what are you waiting for? Click that video right now and I will see you on that video.